G'day folks, it's Chris Parsons here with the Isuzu D-Max. Let's go through the satellite navigation system together. This built-in sat-nav on LSU and X-Terrain models works via a GPS receiver inside your vehicle, so it comes in handy when you're stuck without mobile signal. Let's familiarise ourselves first with the buttons and then the sat-nav's menu system. There are 3 ways we can access different aspects of the sat-nav from these dedicated buttons. Firstly, press the Home button, and then tap the navigation icon to bring up the sat-nav's main menu. Alternatively, on the left-hand side, you will find the Set Destination button, which will jump you straight into the sat-nav's main menu. Finally, on the right-hand side is the Current Location button. Pressing this will bring up the full screen map of your exact location. Let's have a go at searching for a destination by name. Tap on the navigation icon. Select Search. Tap on the name icon. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the name or point of interest of your destination. Let's try looking for our closest fuel station. All you need to do is touch the screen to bring up the keyboard and enter in your search. Type in your preferred fuel station and tap Enter. I've now got my closest search results. I just need to tap the destination icon for the one I want. Confirm the route with OK and we are done. How easy is that? So how about we try registering a home or favourite location? This will make it extra quick and easy to navigate back to a frequent address. Start by pressing the Home button. Then tap on the navigation icon. Select Search, then Address. For this example, we're going to use house number. Enter the address using the touch keyboard. 91 Queen Street, Brisbane City, Queensland. Now we must select from the options available, tap on Save, and then select Set as Home, Favourites, or Add to Saved Points accordingly. Finally, one of my favourite features is how the sat-nav also links up with the driver's 4.2-inch multi-information display, giving you turn-by-turn guidance as positioned perfectly for the driver's eye line whilst on the road. Now you're ready to enjoy this easy-to-use and easy-to-read satellite navigation system thanks to the Isuzu D-Max. For more information on the features of the D-Max, visit isuzuute.com.au.